Right, okay, ratio questions. There are two types of ratio questions, and this is the first type here. So it says divide £90 in the ratio 3 to 7. So £90 is the total amount involved. That's the first thing you've got to try and find. Is it the total? Well, here it is, because £90 is what 3 and 7 add up to. So 3 and 7, and if I'm finding the total, I need to add those together. I'm going to write that there in brackets. 10. So there are 10 parts, and they've got a value of 90. So I'm going to put that down here. So what have I multiplied by 10 by to turn it into 90? Well, if you're not sure, do 90 divided by 10. But you should be, because that's 9. So the 10 parts have been multiplied by 9 to get 90. So all I've got to do now is multiply the 2 parts involved by 9 as well. 3 times 9 gives me 27, and 7 times 9 is 63. And you can check those two because they should add together to give us 90, which they do. So that's the first one done. Second one, Mr. Allen, Mr. Buck, and Mr. Collins own 4, 5, and 6 parts of a business respectively. So that's going to be a ratio 4 to 5 to 6. The business makes £120 profit in a week. How much does each man get? So again, £120 is the total profit. So we are looking for a total again. So I need to add together these parts. 4, add 5, add 9, add 6 gives me 15. So there are 15 parts, and the total is 120. So I need to see how many 15s go into 120. If you're not sure again, 120 divided by 15 will do the same job, but you should be able to work out that that's 8. So 15 goes into 128 times, so I just need to multiply each of the parts by 8 as well. 4 times 8 is 32. We've got 40, and 6 times 8 is 48. Again, we should be able to check that those add up to £120, which they do. Final one, and notice that this question is different from the other two. The ages of a mother and daughter are in the ratio 8 to 3. If the mother is 48 years old, how old is the daughter? This time, it's not giving us the total. It doesn't say anywhere what the total of their ages is. It just tells us that the mother is 48 years old. Now, if something is in the ratio 8 to 3, then the mother is the 8 and the daughter is 3, because it's in the order that they are written down. So it says that the mother is 48 years old, so we know that this 8 represents 48. So all we've got to do is work out what that 8's been multiplied by to turn it into 48, which is 6. Again, if you're not sure, 48 divided by 8 will give you that 6. So if I want to find out how old the daughter is, all I need to do is multiply it by 6. So 3 times 6 is 18. And that is that question answered. Have a go at the questions on the sheets. Section 1 is the ones where you have to find the total, and section 2 is like this question that we've just done here.